A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Question. You tired and want some rest? How you gonna get that rest there where you need? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. Yeah? Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right, so. Today, we are going to read from the letter to the Hebrew them, chapter 4, from verse 1 to verse 13. So, we fi make sure, say God no promise to give it peace and rest. And we end up not get it because we guilty of something. Because we did hear the good news preach, just like how the Israel people them did hear it too. But the word we preach, nay help them at all, cause they name believe like the rest of people them, we did hear it. No, we will believe I go get the kind of peace in our heart where God give, and we are going to get to go in the place where we can just rest. Just like when him say, me dey get Bex bad, and me promise say, them now go get the kind of peace in them heart like when me go give me people them, and them now go get to go in the place where they can just rest. God said this, even though when did a plan for do, did done already. God worked done from the time he made the world. Cause him did say this somewhere about the 7th day. And on day 7, him rest from all him work. And right so again, him say, them now go get the peace when me promise to give me people them and for rest like when me promise too. So, some people still can get the peace in their heart where God promised to give people them and for rest like how him promise. But the one them where did hear the good news preach, them ain't get that cause they never do what them did for do. So God said one next day again. That at today. We know say this are true cause after how much year he make David write this when me did tell you already. If you hear him voice today, do no get ideas and no listen him and no do what him say. Cause if Joshua did lead the people them and make them get for rest, God wouldn't talk about one another day after that. So just like how God did rest on day 7, after him did done make the world, I saw one Sabbath rest still there for God people them. Cause the one we get for rest, oh God make people rest. Him did rest when him did done for him work. So we fi try hard for make sure so we get that kind of rest there where God give. So nobody no miss the chance to get it cause them go do the said sitting them with them father they do. No listen God and no do what him say them fi do. Cause when God talk, I like say the sitting them when him say alive, have power, and can do things. God word cut better than any one of the two-sided cutlass them. And I'll bore through and split up soul from spirit and cut away which part the bone them join up from the blood and sit them where they inside the bone them. It can judge where we think in our heart and they sit them where we want. Not even one sitting can hide from God. But everything open up and then can see the whole of them. And him we have to go answer to about everything where we do. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.